So in today's video, I'm going to see if this Volter PPK sounds just like the PP7 in GoldenEye. That little pistol there. So I'm going to take this out to the range and see how it sounds without suppressed and with silencer, like in the game, and see what sounds it makes. So this is a classic game. I grew up, I love this game, and I was always curious how accurate the sounds are. So let's give it a test. So I opened up Train, and sorry for the quality. I really don't care about this scan line thing and my reflection. I guess I could have muted the in-game music, but I really don't care. So here's just the regular PP7. It's called PP7 Special Issue. But this is what it sounds like, not suppressed. All right, so let's see if how close it is to the real thing. Unsuppressed, let's see how loud it is. Pretty loud. Now let's try silenced PP7. There it is, the first gun you get. And of course the pause music. So that's what it looks like in the game. This is what it sounds like silenced. So now we have the silenced PP7. Let's see how it sounds. So in retrospective, I'm glad the game came out when it did because I got to grow up with a masterpiece. And I'm glad it didn't come out today because there'd probably be some weird DLC thing where you can get like the Red Bull suppressor. And when you jump off the first level dam at the end of the mission, you know, he flies away with his little Red Bull thing. So I decided to print out this little Red Bull suppressor. I mean, look how ridiculous this would look in the game if there was like a Red Bull sort of thing, skin you could get, Red Bull suppressor. But looks a little wacky. I won't be able to use the sights, but let's see how it will sound.